Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing power and backups. Plug the Vivo T4X5G into a charger and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Updates can fail on weak data. Once charging and connected, back up your photos, contacts, and app settings to the cloud or a PC so you can restore if needed. Make sure storage has about 3 GB free. If not, remove large files or move them to an SD card. With these prerequisites met, open Settings to begin. You now fetch and install the package. In Settings, go to Software Update and tap Check for updates so the phone can locate the latest OTA. Download only over Wi-Fi to save mobile data and keep the charger connected. Interruptions during download or install may corrupt the package. Read the release notes to see what changes and why. When the download finishes, accept any terms and tap Install Now. The phone will prepare, reboot, and begin applying system files. Don't power off. You finish by letting the phone complete post-install steps. After the reboot, the system will optimize apps. Wait until the home screen appears and performance stabilizes. Then go to Settings about phone to confirm the new build number and check that Wi-Fi, calls, and apps work as expected. If you see problems, random crashes, or boot loops, try clearing system cache first. If that fails, restore your backup and perform a factory reset. This often resolves persistent issues while preserving instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.